Mtatoa tu. Kitaiwa pesa ulipe, sio fujo. Kitaiwa pesa.
Kwani nini natujalipa?
Na wao wako na deni yetu pia.
Sisi tunawadai sasa, badala ya kulipa wanaleta fujo.
Kwani sisi hatudai kanjo? Sisi tunawada. Sasa Kariuki sema ikaje hata ile kama tunafanya na tunafanya. Sio bwana hiyo wale ifanye tunafanya.
Ndio ndio kepo yao huko.
And we said now we have to check meter by meter. But 1.5 we said okay, that is our beginning point. Let's begin there. We will clarify, we will come to a final figure. But the issue, ladies and gentlemen, is waivers. Should Kenya Power pay waivers or not? The law requires them to pay. They have been trying to fight that using unorthodox means. The High Court has told them to pay. They have gone to the Court of Appeal. They obtained an order staying us from collecting, subject to them filing an appeal. And because they got that stay 7 years ago, they have never filed that appeal.